Assalamu alaikum, students of class 4. Dear students, open your active English course book. Unit number 2, a tumbler of oil. Dear students, to be continued with the grammar, our today's topic is punctuation. It's on your books, page number 25. Remember, dear students, we use quotation marks, or you can say inverted commas, at the beginning and end of spoken words. I'll repeat once again. We use quotation marks, mean inverted commas at the beginning and at end of spoken words. For example, inverted commas start, where is the rest of the oil? Question mark, inverted commas close. Mother asked, and then full stop. Now remember, dear students, we begin spoken words with a capital letter. I'll repeat once again. We begin spoken words with a capital letter. If the spoken words form a sentence, a comma is used inside the quotation marks. I'll repeat once again. We begin spoken words with a capital letter. If the spoken words form a sentence, a comma is used inside the quotation marks. For example, here. First letter should be capital H, and then here it is. First of all, we'll put quotation marks, then capital H, here it is, then comma. After the comma, inverted commas close, said Tony, then full stop. Here it is, said Tony. One more rule related to the quotation marks. If the spoken words end a sentence, we put a comma before them and a full stop at the end inside the quotation marks. I'll repeat once again. If the spoken words end a sentence, we put a comma before them and a full stop at the end inside the quotation marks. For example, mother mourned. Mourned means, students, low sound of pain, or you can say low sound of suffering. Mother mourned, comma, quotation marks or inverted commas start, I can't believe what you have done. Then full stop, and after the full stop, we'll put inverted commas, or you can say quotation marks. Now, dear students, here we have an exercise for the practice of quotation marks. Use the saying verbs you have learned to write what mother, the shopkeeper, and Tony said. Use the correct punctuation marks. The first one has been done for you. Be careful, do not daydream again. We'll write inverted commas, or you can say quotation marks. First letter capital B-E, be careful, full stop, do not daydream again, comma, inverted commas close, want mother, then full stop. Now, dear students, turn the page. It's page number 26. Our given sentence is, your tumbler can contain only 7 cents worth of oil. We'll write inverted commas or quotation marks start. Your tumbler can contain only 7 cents worth of oil. Then comma, and after the comma, inverted commas close, said the shopkeeper, then full stop. Look at the next one. Mother will be cross if I do not buy 8 cents worth of oil. We'll start from the quotation marks. After mother, mother's M will be capital. Mother will be cross if I do not buy 8 cents worth of oil, comma, and then inverted commas close, whispered Tony. Whispered means, students, softly and cautiously. Next and last, you have been very foolish. We'll write mother mourned, comma, quotation marks, you have been very foolish, full stop, and quotation marks close, or you can say inverted commas at the end of the sentence. Now, dear students, your task is to learn the rules related to the use of punctuation. and solve exercise on your books, page number 26.